What I'm checking out right now is the AmpliGame Fifine D6 Stream Deck. This thing is fantastic if you're looking to kind of control your environment, your computer with just a touch of a button. So the big deal here is that this little device right here can be pre-programmed. It's got a bunch of keys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've got 15 different keys that are programmable and multiple pages, meaning I could have this emulated or a bunch of pages with different ones, and I just go next, and find the next the next page full of links, right? Full of like these shortcuts, because that's what essentially it is. These are shortcuts. I'm going to show you in a little bit closer view. As you can see right here, on this one right there, the green and the green over there are opening up websites. This one right here will open up Final Cut Pro. The next one will open up my Ecamm software. And then I've got, you know, calendar and things like that. Really, really nice. Look at this. Beautiful, big, shiny buttons, colored, programmable. I'm going to try and do a program right off the cuff. And kind of like, look, you can move them around. See, I'm on the computer right now, and I could, if I want both websites, the calendar maybe down here, both websites on that side, and maybe Ecamm on the right hand side. Perfect, super easy. Take my screenshot over here. So as you can see, I can change all of that with the click of a button. I could also add one if I wanted to. I'm going to add one right in the middle, and it's going to be, let's see, what could I do? I would like to have this maybe as a, I could do OBS Studio. If you've got OBS Studio and you're a live streamer, you could definitely do that. You could literally change your virtual cameras around. You can stream, you can record, you can audio mix, you can do a bunch of different things with this. It is so cool, so easy to use. What I love about it the most too is that it does work with the USB-C, and as soon as you plug it in, that nice RGB light kind of lights up on the side, and you, by a press of a button, I can change that like to purple, and now a nice hot pink, for example, and things like that. So that's pretty cool. Compared to my, and I'm going to try to do this, compared to my bigger Stream Deck, I think the Fifine AmpliGame here, the D6, is way more, way easier to use. It's got bigger buttons. It is a lighter unit, so you can definitely transport this, travel with it, no issues there. It's a slimmer unit as well, so I like that. I like the form factor. It's compact, and it is super useful if you're looking to kind of do these one-button actions that you do often. Maybe you're on Photoshop. Maybe you're doing like select alls and things like that, and you've got shortcuts on your keyboard, sure, but a one-button shortcut like this on this really nice deck saves a lot of time. It's so easy to use. I highly recommend it. I think they're doing incredible stuff. I didn't even know Fifine did this. I've been reviewing Fifine microphones for a long time, and I love their products, but this one here really knocks it out of the park.